In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to buy Solana on Coinbase Wallet. Let's get started. First, we need to make our way to Google. Open your preferred web browser and type Google into the search bar. This is the quickest way to find any website we need, especially when you're looking to safely access a financial platform like Coinbase. Once you're on Google, type Coinbase into the search bar. You should see the official Coinbase website link among the top results. It's important to always verify the website's URL to ensure you're visiting the legitimate site. Click on the link to access the Coinbase homepage. Now that we're on Coinbase, it's time to navigate to the Coinbase Wallet section. If you're not familiar, Coinbase Wallet is the company's non-custodial wallet where you can store cryptocurrencies like Solana securely. Upon accessing the wallet page, you might notice that your account balance is currently zero, which is normal if you haven't made any transactions yet. Let's switch back to the main Coinbase site where you'll handle the purchase transaction. Look for the option to set the amount you wish to buy. Input the desired amount of Solana you plan to purchase. Entering the correct amount is crucial here, so double check your input before proceeding. Once you've set the amount, click on buy. This initiates the process. Next, you'll want to specify that the purchase is for Solana. You'll likely find a drop-down menu or a similar option where you can select Solana from the list of available cryptocurrencies. After selecting Solana, click on review order. At this stage, you should carefully review all the details to ensure everything is correct before you confirm your order. If everything looks good, proceed by clicking buy now. Remember that processing this order might take some time, so please be patient as the transaction goes through. After submitting your order, you'll need to finish by clicking on done. Once that's complete, go to Crypto Balance to check for confirmation that your Solana has been credited to your account. Sometimes it might take a few moments for the transaction to appear, but once it does, your Solana will be visible in your account. Lastly, if you wish to send Solana to another wallet, click on Send Crypto, typically found on your account's right side. You'll need to connect your Coinbase account with Coinbase Wallet and select the specific Solana wallet where you want your crypto sent. Tap Solana, set the amount you wish to transfer, and send that amount. And that's it. You now know how to purchase Solana on Coinbase Wallet. Whether you keep it stored on Coinbase or send it to another wallet, you're set to start managing your cryptocurrency holdings. Thanks for watching and happy investing.